and keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. We will be leaving shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Kemah Boardwalk Railroad, a gas-powered handmade replica of an 1863 Central Pacific steam engine train that will take you through the 60-acre entertainment complex that we are proud to call the Kemah Boardwalk. To our right is Landry Seafood House. This historic site opened in 1947 and has been home to Landry since 1989. Once an illegal gambling hotspot, the restaurant has survived several hurricanes and still stands proudly today. Every day, hundreds of watercraft pass by on their way to Galveston Bay and beyond. Did anyone know that Clear Lake is the third largest yachting community in the entire U.S.? As we venture around the bend, get ready to scream as we journey through the mysterious Kemah Tunnel. Hey, pardon our dust around here. We've got new thrills in progress. Get ready while we improve your adventure. Exciting, new, epic fun is about to happen at the Boardwalk. About to enter the Grand Events Plaza. This great outdoor environment plays host to live entertainment, music festivals, and a playground to keep the children happy. We guarantee it will provide hours of fun. Check out our calendar of events on the sign by the entrance to see what event you want to come to this year. Coming up, you will see the Aquarium, a unique 3-level restaurant, home to over 70,000 gallons of water and over 100 different species of fish. Enjoy incredible seafood specialties as you dine amongst the fish and coral. Over at the Stingray Reef attraction, you can actually pet and feed the stingrays. So cool. And on those hot summer days, why not take a walk through our dancing fountains? A great way to cool off if you dare. In the background, you'll see our Boardwalk Inn with 52 spectacular rooms and quaint cafes. Relax and recharge. And don't forget, over 20 shops filled with gifts for... Let me hear it. Great. You know what to do in the Kemah Tunnel. Come on, everyone. Scream! On your left, we have a great view of Galveston Bay. Galveston Bay is an estuary with a mixture of salt water from the Gulf of Mexico and freshwater from creeks and streams inland. Interestingly, Galveston Bay averages only 7 to 9 feet in depth. Have any of you braved the Boardwalk Beach Speedboat Thrill Ride? Just a warning, you will get soaked. The perfect ride for those hot summer days. Hey everyone, look out! It looks like we're caught in the middle of a gunfight!